Welcome to our tutorial on colour tools in the DFE that let you match colours for a specific print job. My name is Carolyn Healy and I'm working for Prinect Service. We'll show you how to modify and replace process colours in Prinect DFE. We'll also show you how to match spot colours. Let's open a job for this. Go to the digital printing step. Zoom in the view, then right-click and select an object whose colour you want to modify. Use Assign Alternate Colour if you want to assign an existing spot colour to the object or create a new colour. Remember that this function is available solely for texts and graphics in process colours. This function lets you define a new spot colour for text or graphic objects. The original colour values of the object display in source colour. You can measure the colour you want with a measuring device or enter its CMYK values. Give it a name. By saving the colour, you can use it a number of times in the job. Go to the Colour Settings tab for spot colour matching. You will find spot colour matching in Spot Colours. Using spot colour matching, you can find out which process colours give you the most accurate reproduction of your spot colours. You can select the spot colour you want to modify in the Colour Name list box. All the spot colours that are in the current print job are listed. The original colour displays in the C4 colour patch in the preview window on the right. Possible colour graduations display around the original colour. Colours that cannot be output correctly to the set paper are marked by an X. Print a test page and compare it to the original spot colour on the artwork. If the difference is too big, change your setting for lightness chroma and colour cast. The step width slider lets you set the intensity with which the colour patches deviate. The higher the step width, the greater the differences. If you are happy with one of the colour patches, select it in the dialog. The CMYK values of the original spot colour display in original colour. Below that, you can see the values of the selected colour patch. The settings are applied only to the current job if Edit Alternate Colour in Job Colours is enabled. Select the second option if you always want to use the settings for the paper type used. After you save your data, you can check the colour settings in the preview using the Info tool. You can find more information about operation of the Prinect cockpit by pressing the F1 key.